Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to make a delicious dessert. We're going to make a banana bread bottom cheesecake. Now to start this recipe off, you're going to take a few ripened bananas and you're going to mash them up in a big bowl with a fork, or you can use a potato masher. My sister sent me a picture of this recipe and she's like, this looks so good, and I was like, you're right, so let me make a video on it. So you just want to make sure you mash all the big lumps out of your bananas. Next, we're going to start to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add an egg, our oil, and the vanilla. And then you want to stir until it's combined. Next, we're going to add in our sugar, baking soda and baking powder, our flour, salt, and cinnamon. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir this together until it's combined. You don't want to overmix this. I probably did, but you really don't want to overmix this. So you just want to, just until all the flour is absorbed. Next, we're going to take our batter and we're going to add it to our greased springform pan. And then we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And when it's done, you'll have this delicious banana bread. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside while we work on the cheesecake. You want to make sure your cream cheese is nice and soft. I left mine out at room temp for a while, but it's so cold in my house that it didn't get as soft as I wanted it to. So I popped it in the microwave just for a couple of seconds. But you want to make sure your cream cheese is nice and soft. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our sugar and our vanilla to our cream cheese. And you want to stir it together until it's nice and combined. Now, if you have a handheld mixer, use that. I threw my blades away a while back and I never replaced them, or I never got a new one. Well, now I have a new one. But just use a handheld mixer to get it nice and smooth. You're also going to need some gelatin, these little packs of gelatin, and you're going to dissolve a tablespoon of the gelatin in some hot milk. You want to put your milk in the microwave for a couple of minutes and get it nice and hot. Stir well because it does take a little while to dissolve. Next, we're going to add that milk and gelatin to our cream cheese mixture. And then we're going to whisk it until it's nice and smooth. Mine did not get as smooth as I wanted it to, you guys, but it still tastes amazing. So next we're going to add this on top of our banana bread. And then we're going to smooth it on out. Give it a little jiggle jiggle. And then we're going to pop this in the refrigerator to cool for at least 3 hours. You want to make sure the cheesecake part is set. And you want to be careful when you're removing the ring. And next we're just going to slice it up. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of homemade caramel sauce on it. And then we're going to add a little bit of whipped topping and a mini Nilla wafer. Amazing, you guys. Amazing. It's perfect for the holidays. Yum.